Hey, what's up guys? Here we are and we are going to unbox this item that we bought from Lazada. Okay, from Lazada. This is a CCTV camera. This is Sri Home SH029 with 3 megapixel AI camera, humanoid detection, two-way audio night vision, IP66 weatherproof, indoor outdoor Wi-Fi CCTV IP camera. Okay, so very quick unboxing lang yung gagawin natin. Hold on. I think na-disinfect na to. Bubble wrap. Okay. Not bad. Makapal naman, lalo na each side yung pagkakalagay ng bubble wrap. So, ito lang mahirap talaga pag nag-unbox eh. Yung tawag na pagtanggal ng tape. Okay. So, sana makatulong to sa mga gusto mag-purchase ito so that you know what to expect pagka binili nyo itong CCTV camera na to. Especially nowadays, medyo maraming na naman tala ulit and guys, magdi-December. So, okay. Sri Home. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce eh. Sri Home. Some info here. Let's just try and focus this one. Okay. Oh, from China. Okay. Here's the box. There we go. Let's try to open it. Sensya na kayo sa kamay ko. Yan ang kamay na nagmamotor na hindi nag-gloves. Okay. So, ang bubukan sa atin is the IP Camera Quick User Manual. So, indicated naman kung saan to galing and they have a customer service information. So, meron tayong pagtatanungan. English ang salita kahit galing ito sa China. So, chill lang mga chong. Okay. Here's your manual. It's always if you buy something lalo na something technical, no, always read the manual, follow the instructions. Okay, let's leave the manual here for a while. At ang laman ng box, isa-isahin natin. There's some cord. I think this is a direkta na pala to. So some screws pang mount ng cam, and then adapter, good quality somehow. And then some, I think this is the stand. Ito yung pang mount. So 4 holes for the screws included, and probably ito yung camera. So I haven't read the manual, so hindi ko muna siya masyadong papakailaman. And the main camera, look at this. So naka bubble wrap na, meron pa siyang foam sa loob mismo ng box. So I think they really wanted it to be secured. Maybe because the item is fragile since it's a camera. Okay, so this is the front of the camera. Can you see it? Okay, there you go. Side. And the other side. There you go. Top. And the bottom part. There you go. Ito yung wire niya. So ito yung for power outlet. So I think you will mount the item here. Just don't know how yet. I'll read the manual. So basically ito yung laman niya. Laman ng CCTV camera na ito. Yan. There you go. Okay. Again, the details of this item is that I still don't know how to pronounce this. SriCam or SriCam. Basta SriCam, and 3 megapixel AI camera 1296p. Humanoid detection, two-way audio night vision, IP66 weatherproof, indoor outdoor Wi-Fi CCTV IP camera. And I think the price range is around 1,100 to 1,200 pesos. This was bought from Lazada. I think it came here earlier than we expected. It was shipped from China if I'm not mistaken. Hindi, Las Piñas lang pala. Kaya pala mabilis. Okay, so this is it. I hope this gave you an idea of what to expect if you buy this camera. We'll post the link of the shop on the description, and siguro maybe a week after or 2, bigyan namin kayo ng feedback on how will it perform. If it's worth buying and if it will really serve its function as a CCTV camera. CCTV or home camera. So still, it is bought to monitor your residence. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Have a good day and God bless. Ciao.